Alrighty, Jambox Breaks here. It is 10:20 a.m. on the 28th of September. Doing 10 boxes of 2016 Archives Panini Archive Signatures baseball. Alright, guys, here's who got in the break. Still asleep, so bear with me. Jason, Shannon, John, Scott, Colin, Jason, Matt, Luke, Derek, Shannon, Colin, Derek, Brad, Derek, and Luke. We're going to random these, get your teams. Trying to do this with my left hand, it's not fun. Alright, Luke on bottom, and Jason on top. Anything higher than 4. 4 lower, do a reroll. Alright, we're going to go 8 times, guys. Good luck, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, starting off with Colin, ending with Scott. Make it bigger for you. Alright, here we go. We got Colin with the D-backs, Braves go to Derek, Matt with the Orioles, Red Sox go to John, Scott with the White Sox, Cubs go to Jason, John with the Reds, Indians go to Derek, Shannon with the Rockies, Tigers go to Luke, Derek with the Astros, Royals, Angels go to Jason, Shannon with the Dodgers, Marlins go to Luke, Derek with the Brewers, Twins go to Shannon, Luke with the Mets, Yankees go to Colin, Jason with the Athletics, Phillies go to Luke, Brad with the Pirates, Padres go to Shannon, Matt with the Giants, Mariners go to Colin, Jason with the Cardinals, Rays go to Colin, Brad with the Rangers, Blue Jays go to Derek, and Scott with the Nats. That is the list. Good luck, everybody. 10 boxes. Yeah, Logan, hopefully they disappear, man. I don't know why they're back. I hate those damn bugs. Alright, first up for the Pirates, we have a Kent Sakuve. Number 88 and 134. I know I jacked his name up. Apparently people like this guy. Pittsburgh, going to Brad. There you go, Brad. We might have sure we were making jokes about him being in this, and apparently people like him. Alright, box 2. Again, I got 2 left, guys. I'll run a 2-boxer, $8 a spot. Very nice. Johnny Damon, 7 of 13. Johnny Damon, Oakland. Oakland, that's going to go to Jason T. Nice hit. Still looking for some big boys in this case. Alright, box number 3. Any of y'all that were in my other breaks, everything's going to go out tomorrow, including this. Got a lot of work to do today. Alright, Harold Baines for the White Sox, going to Scotty C. 57 of 74. Going to Scotty C. Harold Baines. First time getting him. I don't think we pulled him at all. Alright, box number 4. White Sox again, Ozzie Guillen, very nice. 19 of 36, going to Scotty C. There you go, buddy. He ain't skunking this time. First time you've been hitting in this. You've been in all of them, for the most part. Nice hit. Box 5. What's up, Todd? How are you, buddy? Alright, next up we have a John Franco, pull him every case, 5 of 16, Cincinnati Reds, with the Chris Sabo glasses on. I don't know if you guys remember Chris Sabo. Alright, going to John K. Congrats, my friend. Alright, what are we on, box 6? Box 6. All right, next up, good old Jeff Conine for the Marlins, 20 of 51. Marlins, that's going to be Luke. Good old Jeff Conine. Box 7. Come on, let's get some big boys here. Alright, we have Carlos Viaga, 12 of 38 for the Cleveland Indians. Cleveland Indians is Derek. There you go, bud. Almost everybody's hit so far. I think Colin. I think that's it. Alright, box 8. For the Mets, Kevin Mitchell, 13 of 24. New York Mets. That is going to Luke as well. Shannon's got to get a hit too. Alright. So Luke with 2. Box 9. Alright, number 17 of 54, good old Tom Gordon. Tom the Flash Gordon, Kansas City. Kansas City is Derek. And our last box. If this one don't hold a big name, guys, those last 2 boxes should be good. I didn't get too many big names at all on this one. Not bad. For the Angels, number 2 of 9, good old Mr. October, Reggie Jackson. In the Angels uniform. Going to Jason T. Very nice, buddy. So far, that's the best hit of the case. Nice hit. Reggie Jackson, 2 of 9. Alright, guys, that is the break. Congrats to all that hit. Sorry for those that didn't. I'll post a 2-boxer some point today. I'm sure it'll fly. And then triple threads, guys. It's in. I have it. It's sitting here. We got 2 master cases. Let's fill them up. We got 4 left in case number 1 and 8 left in case number 2. Break them tonight. If you need to send me payments, please get them in, so that way we're ready to go tonight. I don't want to be waiting on people. Other than that, I got certified football. I got some other football too, so I'll be posting it this week. Alright guys, take care again. All mail will go out tomorrow. Appreciate it as always. Have a good day.